I just sold these Nike Jordan Retros on eBay for $90. Now, it's time to send them off to authentication. Let me show you what I do to get that ready. Normally, I use these priority mail shoe boxes to send them out. But since this is going to eBay authentication, they send me the label that I use, and normally that's through FedEx. So I can't use these as a FedEx box. I have to use more of a plain brown box. A basic box like this is something that I use. This is from some shoes I bought. That's a replacement box. Here you see just an empty box. If I have anything else in it, like this, tissue paper, I probably won't include that, so I'll throw that away. But when I am packaging up my shoes, essentially what I do is I get some packing paper. I like to use the Braco Goods packing paper that's found on Amazon, and I usually put some in here. Now, when you send these to authentication, normally after they've been authenticated, they will get repackaged by eBay. But with this, I like to at least package them up, wrap them up well. So I put in a couple pieces of paper of this Braco Goods packing paper. Put it in there. I also include a note, usually just thanking the buyer for their purchase. Normally the authenticator will include that as well. So once I've got these packaged up, I fold this up, and since this is a replacement box, I do like to tape up the edges so that when they get shipped out, it stays secure. Now I put my FedEx label on the package, and it's ready to go to FedEx.